Alright, boys and girls, we're going to pick up Harry's car. It's getting wrapped. It got wrapped again because the previous one was fricked up. Alright, so we're here. Here's Harry's car. Looks way better than before. Black roof. Alex and I tried making it badges for him, so we didn't do too good of a job with it. I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see the circle though, but it's not bad. Dang. Looks pretty decent for a 115 horsepower boat. With whack fitment. So yeah, Harry's finally glad his car doesn't look like crap. How do you feel, Harry?
It looks wonderful. I'm ecstatic.
He's ecstatic.
Way better than the other guy. Way better. A million times better.
Way better. Crucial wraps. And I'm up for all your wrapping needs.
Oh, he just wrapped right over this.
Twin Pine.
That's smart. Came out and looked at it.
Steve doesn't even like Harry's car because
doesn't care about me.
Gay.
Look at that. How dare he do that?
That's a line.
I know. It looks so good, dude. He did such a perfect job.
So gay.
I'm excited to clean it every day.
Yeah, excited to clean this gay thing. Gay.
Yeah.
Gay.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Tracy likes it. She likes it. Tracy enjoys. And he said, what he said was so true though. He said, like, if you have a dark color on white, you'll barely even be able to notice. You know what I mean? Like, you can barely notice that unless you're...
That doesn't look bad at all.
Exactly. Like, at Vag Fair, there was that, like, army green BMW and his doors open and the car was red. It looked so bad. I
would redline it. His car's still gay. It's alright though, it looks good. Woo. Woo.
Alright, let's plug in gas, actually.
Dang. Mk6 looking tough. Stock ride height.
So what you're going to want to do is actually get flex fuel. And so we're going to get 87 because...
87 because this is not a GLI.
My car is speedy. So many people actually think it's a GLI.
Mk6 Jetta S.
115
20T. Let's see what this baby got. Oh man! Sick.
There's so much room in there.
I call it out right now.
Mom.
Good.
Mom.
Mom knows.
Yeah, it's not gonna. Like I said, it won't fit perfect because it's not technically for the car.
This is your video, Harry.
What?
Can you pull the bumper in?
Oh, terrible.
So you can get the bumper to meet it.
There we go.
Not that.
Make a move.
Hello.
How are you, bud?
Good, how are you?
I have to deliver his lunch.
Harrison, what do you say about Noah?
I was gonna say Noah has a crush on you, but I didn't want it to be awkward.
Yeah.
That would have been so funny.
Which are like 3 white cars right here.
Maybe.
All right, guys. Harry's going to put this on all by himself.
You need drill.
You have bugs on your paint.
Yeah, it's not paint. Harrison.
We got.
Hopefully it airs out the whole way.
Oh, it's really
Just
good.
about.
You are.
That's like 1 inch.
Are you happy with your car? Finally.
Until you find something.
I think we're gonna just turn into a car I really want.
Missouri. Missouri.